Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Combine 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, and 3/4 cup sugar for the base. Whisk until sugar dissolves. Add 2 tablespoons of non-fat milk powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to improve body and mouthfeel. Optionally, add 1 tablespoon glucose or corn syrup to reduce iciness. Chill the mixture to 35 degrees F before freezing to ensure smooth texture and to allow proteins to hydrate. Strain the mix through a fine sieve into an airtight container. Then refrigerate at 35 degrees F for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. Use a batch freezer or ice cream maker set to a 15 to 20 minute churn time depending on machine capacity and mix volume. Churn until a soft serve consistency of about -5 degrees C is reached. Then immediately dispense into serving cups or cones to capture the classic Dairy Queen texture. For scoopable ice cream, harden in the blast freezer or home freezer at 0 degrees F for at least 2 hours to firm the product and lock in air. Monitor overrun and target 25% to 50% for lightness and structure. For chocolate base, add 1/2 cup Dutch processed cocoa and 2 tablespoons melted chocolate during mixing, heating briefly to dissolve cocoa, then chilling to 35 degrees F. For fruit flavors, macerate 200 grams fruit with 50 grams sugar for 30 minutes, then fold in cold to preserve texture and bright flavor. Add at the end of churn to avoid breakdown. Serve soft serve immediately from machine or keep at -10 degrees F for proportion scoops. Store finished product at 0 degrees F for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.